I'm Ahtli, hailing from Liverpool. Got no other choice but to apply to you. Island of the Great Barrier Reef. Don't think about anyone else, cause I'm your chief. Hire me and I'll make you happy. Vote for me and I'll be anything that you want me to be. Can't you see that nobody else can do it like Big Rexy B? I made this beat and I'll make you proud. I'll do things that people talk about. Represent your island, represent the feeling. When people talk to me, they get higher than the ceiling. I would make this longer, but time is on the short side. Got a few seconds to tell you I'm the best guide. Think for a while and make up your mind. If you don't pick me, then you're mentally blind. Yeah.